Happy Father's Day.
Okay, Evie, what do you like to do with Daddy?
I like to go play with him.
Play what?
I like to play toys with him, and he's my favorite daddy. My favorite daddy.
Okay, blow kisses. Happy Father's Day!
I love baby.
Hey, Zig, what do you like to do with Daddy?
Daddy.
Yeah. What do you like to do with Daddy? Do you like to wrestle with Daddy?
Daddy is safe.
Do you like to look at role-playing books with Daddy?
Daddy, you put a book.
Okay, blow kisses. Blow kisses.
Happy Father's Day.
Okay, Libby, what do you like to do with Daddy?
Go to the park. Park.
Do you like to do anything else with Daddy? What?
I like to read books with him.
Oh. Anything else?
And I like to play Legos.
You like what?
Play Legos.
Play Legos? Cool. You want to blow kisses to Daddy?